Hey, what is up, you guys? I hope you all are having an amazing day today. It is a huge day as it is election day, the day we all have been waiting for, the moment of truth. All three major indexes are up today. Stocks have jumped. You have your S&P 500 at 2.10%, Nasdaq is up 2.14%, and you have your Dow Jones, which is up 2.50%. Now in today's video, which you obviously know, we are going to be talking about PayPal Holdings. They recently reported their Q3 earnings yesterday after hours. They beat expectations. However, the stock did drop about 6% in the after hours. And now jump to today, November 3rd. It is trading at the time of this video at $181.16 a share, down 3.51%. Before we get into the video, you guys, I just want to say if you can give this video an early thumbs up, as I would very much appreciate it. And if you are new, subscribe. And if you're not new, welcome back to the channel. And remember, I am not a financial advisor, and you know how that goes. So PayPal Q3 earnings and revenues topped estimates with a year-over-year rise. PayPal Holdings reported non-GAAP earnings of $1.07 per share in the third quarter of 2020, which surpassed the Zacks consensus estimate by 13.8%. Further, the figure improved 41% on a year-over-year basis, but remained flat sequentially. Net revenues of $5.46 billion outpaced the Zacks consensus estimate of $5.40 billion. The figure improved 25% from the year-ago quarter on both reported and FX-neutral basis. Further, it increased 3.8% from the prior quarter. So with these great results and with them beating analyst estimates, you're probably wondering why did it drop to almost 6% in the after hours yesterday. Well, we're going to talk a little bit more about that throughout this video. First, I want to go through their Q3 results deeply and in depth. Alright, so here on PayPal's Q3 2020 presentation PowerPoint, they had a strong performance across key performance metrics. For their active accounts, they were at 361 million. It includes 28 million active merchant accounts, and they are up 22% year over year, with 15.2 million net new active accounts, which was a 55% increase year over year. As for customer engagement, they reported 40.1 payment transactions per active account, 1% increase year over year, 5% increase year over year, and 41.7 payment TPA excluding active accounts related to the Honey acquisition. A 32% increase year over year in daily active accounts using PayPal core experiences. As for total payment volume, they are at $247 billion, which is a 38% spot and 36% FX neutral year over year growth, despite 40% year-over-year decline in travel and events verticals. And this was the highest TPV growth rate in PayPal's history. Now, PayPal is expanding a lot more on their platform, and I believe, in my opinion, this will really boost their growth the coming years. They launched their interest-free buy now, pay later installments in the UK and in the US. With this, consumers pay no fees or interest, and payments are seamless with automatic repayments. These installments appear in the customer's PayPal wallet so they can manage their payments in the PayPal app. For merchants, products are included in their existing PayPal pricing, so merchants don't pay any additional fees to offer installments to their customers. And this will be available at millions of online stores where PayPal is offered, including Aldo, Bed Bath & Beyond, Best Buy, Camping World, Dick's Sporting Goods, Land's End, Mercari, and more. Also, it will be available on the following commerce platforms: BigCommerce, 3D Cart, WooCommerce, Salesforce Commerce Cloud, and MIVA or Miva. Not only that, they also launched their Venmo credit card, which is going to do massive growth in their Venmo platform. This will be game-changing for Venmo users and Venmo as a whole, and possibly might even top Square's Cash App. The Venmo credit card is a contactless chip card with personalized QR codes issued in partnership with Synchrony and powered by Visa. Transactions can be split right at the table and reflected instantaneously on your Venmo feed. With a 3-2-1 cashback program, automatically calculates your top spend categories every month to apply the appropriate cashback percentages. Now, how this works is you apply in the Venmo app, you use the mobile phone to scan where you can activate your card, send payments, or split purchases. You receive smart dynamic rewards automatically added to your Venmo account, easy spend tracking, and real-time alerts. Honestly, this seems very innovative and it will be game-changing, like I said. I might even have to switch from Cash App to Venmo. Alright, so now we're going to take a look at how Venmo did as a whole for the third quarter. PayPal said its social payments platform Venmo also had its best quarter ever, processing more than $44 billion of TPV. That marks an increase of 61% over the same period last year. That is absolutely insane. Now, PayPal forecasts its revenue for Venmo will approach $900 million in 2021, driven by investments in new capabilities and reach profitability in 2022. PayPal's Venmo credit card is expected to fully roll out to all PayPal customers in the first quarter of 2021, which Schulman says will be a true extension of the Venmo app and fully linked to its capabilities. So Venmo users, make sure you are on the lookout for this. The next big feature is their crypto buy, hold, sell feature launch. PayPal launches new service enabling users to buy, hold, and sell cryptocurrency. Introducing the ability to buy, hold, and sell select cryptocurrencies, initially featuring Bitcoin, Ethereum, I believe that's how you say it, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin directly within the PayPal digital wallet. This will be available to PayPal account holders in the US in the coming weeks, with plans to expand the features to Venmo and select international markets in the first half of 2021. PayPal has been granted a first-of-its-kind conditional BIT license by the New York State Department of Financial Services to offer these services to customers in New York. There are no service fees when buying or selling cryptocurrency through December 31st, 2020, and no fees for holding cryptocurrency in a PayPal account. Now, increasing utility of cryptocurrency in digital commerce. Beginning in early 2021, PayPal customers will be able to use their cryptocurrency holdings as a funding source to pay at PayPal's 28 million merchants around the globe. Cryptocurrency becomes another funding source inside the PayPal digital wallet, adding enhanced utility to cryptocurrency holders. Consumers will be able to instantly convert their selected crypto balances to fiat currency, with certainty of value and no incremental fees. This is all sounding very, very innovative, and actually there are central banks that are testing cryptocurrencies and the use of digital wallets. So a clear picture on how the crypto platform is going to look on PayPal. This is how it's going to look. It looks pretty cool and easy to navigate. Definitely something you're going to want to look into if you're into cryptocurrency. Maybe you are using another platform and maybe this is going to catch your attention. This is also another thing you want to be on the lookout for. Now, PayPal is planning to expand this onto Venmo like we just saw a while ago. Next year's expansion will also enable customers to use Venmo, its popular peer-to-peer payment service, to buy and shop with cryptocurrencies. PayPal's bullishness on cryptocurrencies, Schulman implied, is based on early response to last month's crypto offering. He said the size of the waiting list for access to crypto, which is now available to 10% of PayPal customers, was 2 or 3 times as great as what the company anticipated. Schulman said the service will be available to all US users in the next few weeks. Obviously, there's always going to be a catch with some things, as there is with this. Despite such efforts, any attempt to introduce cryptocurrency in day-to-day commerce faces a significant obstacle in the form of the US tax system. The Internal Revenue Service treats any crypto transaction as taxable event, like selling a stock or a piece of real estate, meaning a PayPal user who buys a coffee or groceries from a crypto account could be forced to declare a capital gain. Schulman did not address the tax implications of PayPal's crypto plans on Monday's earnings call. Cryptocurrency advocates have been lobbying Congress to create a so-called de minimis exemption that would excuse small dollar transactions from IRS scrutiny, an effort that has yet to bear fruit. Now moving on to why PayPal shares plummeted to 6% in the after hours yesterday. Well, this was due to uncertainty in the next quarter. The PayPal earnings report sent shares down and extended trading on Monday as the company did not provide preliminary guidance for fiscal 2021. And this is what one analyst said, David Scharf. PayPal reported notable upside to our Q3 20 estimates and generally very strong demand metrics, although 4Q guidance reflected more near-term conservatism than many street models. In particular, it sounded like the tempered 4Q EPS outlook was related to 1. A more significant eBay deconversion headwind, greater concentration of investment spending in the quarter on recent new product launches, and 3. A slower rebound in the travel and entertainment verticals than had been anticipated just 3 months earlier. So despite uncertainty with PayPal's guidance for the next quarter, this sell-off was actually a great buying opportunity in my opinion. I see PayPal as a long-term investment, and they are obviously ramping up their platform and bringing in new features that will be game-changing and open doors of opportunities for their growth. Also, with this correction, you guys, this stock is a buy and it is undervalued in my opinion, which is why I did buy in already yesterday and will be increasing my position real soon. Overall, PayPal is a great company with a ton of room to grow, and you may want to keep an eye out on this stock. Well, that brings us towards the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it for you all. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos just like this one, and don't forget to turn on those post notifications to be notified when I drop a new video. Comment down below your opinion on PayPal. I would like to know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, you guys. Peace.